What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Kick It with Ken. I hope y'all have been great so far. Hey, I'm excited to show you what I got today. The reason being is this is one of the shoes that I always wanted, and it was on the list. Even though I have two pairs here, one from the past and one from the future. Well, kind of past future, if you know what I mean. So today what we have to look at is the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined UNC. Now, this shoe was on the list. If you follow me, you know I did a list of shoes that I wanted to get for 2025, and this was on the list. Even though I have the older version, give me a second, I'm gonna pull that out. Now, the last time this shoe dropped was 2015. It's 10 years ago, you know? And I was only able to get this last year at a sneaker con here in Toronto. And when I picked it up, I got it for a good steal. It was almost brand new, won like once or twice. And I've been wanting this shoe for the longest. So when I knew this was coming out, didn't know that I was gonna get this, I still wanted to get my hands on this just because it was something different. It was the reimagined, you know, concept or theme used for this one. So when I knew this was coming out, I just had to grab it because it was something different. It was not coming out at a dead 10 years ago. The, you know, really white, cocaine white leather on this with the UNC blue. The blue kind of stays true to itself a little. Even this one's a little bit more profound and way nicer. This still has that kind of old look to it. Just, you know, the reimagined theme that they did with the Chicago, same thing they did here. You do have, you know, the crack leather over here on the heel panel here, and on the sides too as well. You do have the crack leather a little bit on the toe too. And of course, your yellow aged meat sole. I do have the reimagined Jordan 1 Chicago here too. They tried to do it exactly the same. You know, if you look at the Chicago here on the heel panel too, you do have that crack leather going on. Same as here. Do look the same. And at the bottom, it has that, you know, aged sole that feels like it's been sitting in a warehouse that's been a little bit damp. So it's kind of soaked up all the moisture and you have it on the shoe. The shoe also comes with two laces, so you got the UNC color blue and a white lace. I would always be rocking the white lace on these, just like I have done for the 2015 pair. So they're on the blue lace. All right, I'm not even gonna lie, I just finished shooting and I said I'm gonna try something different today. I'm gonna switch up the lace and put on like the alternative lace, the blue lace. And I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of fire. It's kind of fire. It's different. I mean, I still prefer the cream off-white lace, but the UNC lace ain't that bad too. I ain't gonna lie. So I also do have the Lows. These are the SB Air Jordan 1 UNC Lows. One of my favorite shoes in the collection. I have worn this shoe to the ground, but it still looks kind of okay. You know, recently, like I said, I got this one last year, but I've had this one for time. And now we do have the reimagined one. But great shoe overall. The Air Jordan 1 is my favorite Jordan silhouette of all time. Of all time. I'm gonna keep saying it every time I review a Jordan 1. And with this, I kind of knocked it out the park. Now the question is, I have the 2015 pair. Do I really need this pair? No, I don't. No, I don't. Honestly, I was a little bit skeptical when I went to pick this one up. I was like, do I really need it? But I said I was gonna get it because it was on the list. Plus, I wanted to really see what it was like in hand. And now that I have, I don't really need it. I don't, to be honest, you know? So this is either going to be, you know, sitting on ice for like the longest till I wreck this to thy kingdom come, or I might just sell this or return it. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, these are the shoe right here. All right, the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined UNC. I don't even know if I want to put it on feet and lace it up and show you guys what it looks like, because you already know, but I do that. I'm gonna lace them up. I'm gonna put them on. And that means I'm gonna keep them. Yes, I'm gonna keep them. But let me know what you guys think though. Are you feeling the Reimagined with the old age, you know, theme to it, or you like the 2015 version of it that was slick, clean, has that UNC blue, that cocaine white on it? Yeah, let me know which one you're feeling the most. If you ask me, the OG ones are still the best ones. I ain't gonna lie, it's still the best ones. And I was hoping the Jordan brand dropped this in the 85 cut. They should have done that with this. You know, if they dropped an 85 cut, it would have been, you know, top 5 sneaker of the year for me. And most people, I believe so too. So yeah, let me know which one you're feeling. Did you cop even though you had the 2015 version, or you just passed on this because there was no need for it? Yeah, let's get the on feet going. So enough with the talking. Let's throw these on feet so you can see what they look like. Peace.